Here at DLM, we have a few core principles: a hard work ethic, sustainable procedures, and first-class customer service. What makes us different to larger companies in our industry is the close community of workers here at DLM. We are a family-run business who chooses to ensure every quote, order, and sale is communicated carefully with respect and fantastic customer service. We support the customer in every step of the way, from the design to the manufacture to the calibration and sometimes the technical advice on site. We may be a small company, but we take pride in our business. We would like to show you all what DLM is best at: designing and creating innovative products, the best in the industry. The first step in the manufacture of any product at DLM is to model the design, which is performed by DLM's in-house mechanical design engineers. The manufacturing drawings are generated and sent to production for ordering of materials. Machining is generally completed at our sister company, Vulcan Offshore, where we have heavily invested in metalworking capital equipment to meet the demands of DLM's innovative products, along with the demands of the offshore industry. To find out more about the production of a DLM load cell, please look out for more exciting videos on our website at www.dlm-uk.com and our social media channels. Thanks for watching.